So here in this project we have shown the concept of impact of global warming on our planet. So here we have demonstrated the causes as well as the solution towards preventing those global warming as well as to do something against the climate change. So climate change active plan, this is all about the climate change active plan. So starting from this we have shown a segment where we have geographical regions. So our project is based on the changes around the different geographical regions and the whole thing that happening in our world and the solution that should be adopted to prevent those things. So normally what happens, we see in the we have shown some mountains having some glaciers. Due to rise in the temperature in the global warming, the glaciers they start melting and the overall water level of the sea they started increasing. So ultimately it's leading to destroy the aquatic animal as well as the various tsunami and flood they occur and they destroy our whole environment. Similarly, the cutting down of the tree and deforestation that increases our carbon. Similarly, the abnormal forest fire, sudden forest fire detection system and the overall the building maximum urban areas by cutting down trees, the effects of the global warming. Similarly, we have shown some industrial pollution over here. Now we have chimney, we have for power generation we are morely dependent on the industry that burns the coal and creates heavy amount of the carbon dioxide monoxide, ultimately leading the overall air pollution level and the pollution level in the earth. So whenever sunlight falls, they don't come back and return back to the atmosphere, so the overall temperature of this area rises. To prevent those things, we must avoid those things. So here are the greenhouse gases like methane and carbon dioxide and nitrous oxide and whenever the nitrous oxide mixes with the water, they form the HNO3. Then similarly it creates some problems related to the acid rain. So to prevent those things, we must have some eco corridor zone. So here is our eco corridor zone. Here also we have some eco corridor zone. Completely plantation should be done. Avoiding industries. Instead of industries, you have used real-time solar panel over here. Now the solar can replace the whole industries to create the electricity. So it's a eco-friendly concept. Similarly, to detect those global warming, we must have some detector around all over the world. That means in every area should have this like of concept. Suppose this is 2024. Now in 2022, the overall temperature is 26. Suppose the current temperature should be at 26 or 27 at this November. If due to any chance it is crossing 30, then we must have some alerting system so that people will get aware of the thing that global warming is happening or climate change is happening. Climate change is a periodic concept, so we can set the temperature. Suppose we set the temperature at 28. We can set the temperature according to our need and according to the geographical variation. Suppose we set the temperature at 29 and the current temperature is 27. If due to any chance it crosses that red value, automatically alerting system goes on. So by I'm just touching this sensor indicating that overall temperature of this zone increases. Now with increase in temperature, automatically siren system goes on. That means it is an indication that there is a problem around our environment. We must adapt other alternative source to decrease this temperature by planting more trees or avoiding maximum pollution sources. Similarly, we have used a concept called smoke absorbing tower. It is related to the current concept that is in Delhi. In the North India, the geographical configuration is like that. Overall air quality of this area becomes abnormal. So we have used a smoke absorbing tower over here. That means whenever this climate change occurs or pollution level increases, this will take the whole air inside and can provide the clean air so that the global warming effect can be minimized. If we will absorb all the carbon dioxide and nitrogen oxide inside this, then overall air becomes clear, then we can avoid the global warming concept. So it is related to the geographical configuration. If we will able to control those things, then we can have the solution towards this glacier melting, this environmental pollution as well as for the restoration of our environment.